Here's a great deal on a 2011 Mercedes-Benz GLK Class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Mercedes-Benz prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and cruise control. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.